Alright guys, right now I'm outside and then I think maybe just maybe tomorrow will be the last day of having the Christmas light on it, so gonna drive a lot today. And then Merry Christmas everyone. Thank you for supporting me. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I got a lot of content coming up. Wait, let me check. I'm gonna take it up. It's kind of dirty and I still have to change my rear tire, and it's almost blow like what is that called? I forgot. Oh yeah, it's kind of dirty. Yep. Oh yeah. I'm almost stuck on last Friday. I was parking on the sidewalk and then I just used this thing on railway drive, and then my tire keep spinning, and then I plug the internet adapter and put it back on all drive mode. Then I'm unstuck, that's all. If not, I'll be stuck for the maybe unless somebody pull me off, I guess. I will not be up on that day, so I think there's the benefit of having extra all drive. It's fading now. I don't know what it's gonna look like after I'll take off. Oh, and then I brake, bro. Like, it's okay. It's okay to be not okay. No snow on Indianapolis, so just like this, guys. And I might have to lower spring, stuff like that, and get different rim. Alright. Okay, let's go and drive it and see what it's like. What is feel like. Okay. Alright, let's go. Okay, already open the valve, sport mode. It's already warm up. This side. It's kind of low, but I think my hair is already long. Alright, Merry Christmas everyone. Right now I'm about to take off my Christmas ride. I think today is like 24 Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Yeah, Tuesday. So I might take it off maybe up on 25, I guess. Yeah, tomorrow maybe. And then yeah, that will be maybe today will be the last day that I'm still keeping all these. Yep. Right now, I'm already on way my back home. So yeah. Mo. Thank you.
Sáu kim chồng không?
Shop này luôn về. Wow, à pe bé cái chơi để cáp cho những cái chỉ là mauสั่งlại à. Tôi chả. Nhưng mà chìm phong ho này. Alright, we made it. Thank you.